This is the Cobweb Plot tab, and this is a way to show the importance of our predictors. And what this is the 10,000 lines from the simulations. We have, look at the top 5% of predictions, or we can look at the bottom 5% of the predictions. And what we're doing is we're just looking at those with the top 5% of predictions for the highest predictions. In this case, we look at what values they had in each of these different predictors. So for the ones who had the best chances of survival, we see that they're younger, and what we're looking for is a greater concentration of red lines. So we see for age, we see the concentration is about or below the 50th percentile. So if we were to get our quantile for the age, we'd see those who were in the youngest percentiles as being those who were going to be more likely to survive. And the idea is that if we have a greater concentration, it's a more important predictor. And just from this graph, we would want to see which predictors had a greater concentration and where do we see more gray. So from this, we can see that age is probably a more of an important predictor than your sibling, spouse, and parent children, which based on our top 5% of predictions, we see that age clumps up here. Well, for sibling and spouse values, they can be anywhere, so they're not as important. We have sex. So if we look down below in the output, we see, and there's probably a much better way to display this, but I'm matching up the value of male of 100. This 100 value, just all it does is tell me that this is, quote, a higher percentile value. So 100 lines up here, and this just allows me to see that this higher set of lines represent the value for males, while 36 is lower than 100, so it falls below that, and we can see that for those with higher predictions, they are mostly women. So I need a better way to display that, but it just allows me to get an idea of what lines I'm looking at.